So today we will talk about Chelsea and their landlord Fulham. Because
Monday night football.
Monday night draw because now Chelsea now Fulham give them stadium. Chelsea can't rent them out. Maybe they use play Champions League. Since then they no fit enter plane this season. So Chelsea
around England where they go just the
now their bus driver go enjoy this period.
You don't say before they use plane.
If they use plane, they fly, they go.
Baba go they even happy say they don't go Champions League.
Now bus driver, their plane, they don't need suffer their plane. So we will talk about Chelsea and Fulham. So we will hear from Chelsea fan first.
Actually,
you know, it's just being
Yeah, you know
actually. When I feel talk anything when I want talk, but it still not change the fact that London is blue and my cabinet is colorful. It's very, very necessary. Say over a long period of time, if you don't do stage, at least sometimes you just give others space, make they shine small. You grab.
We can shine. As you know that
we've been in this for a very long time.
It depends you.
Yeah, so we guys say we no go Champions League or whatever. We just want to take a break, go back, evaluate, strategize, and come back. No be like I don't really want to talk about that one, Sha. Then about this game now, we've made several sweet signings, maybe just ghost signing.
Yeah.
So we brought in some names like Mazlakwa, Palestra, and others. We be saying now
there's some
players we in there for their leg.
All them Rogers.
So this Fulham game, they say I'm like this wrong. And my star boy, not like saying I'm my main star boy, my assistant star boy, Ja Pedro. He's still on fire.
So who be star boy?
Palma be my star boy. Forget say the guy get issue last season with injuries, fatigue, and everything. So let's watch out this season.
After match now,
Watch out this season with my attacking fullbacks and my 3 central defenders. You know, normally now what things Xabi Alonso they do now. So I'm expecting much from those 3 defenders, my midfield. Then that's my attacking power now. They don't bring in some new names. So you say they get the capacity to change games. Morgan Rogers and others, they grab. So for me, I don't even really think say this game now much. If the players know really what they want, they grab. This thing will be like game was supposed to even stress us because Fulham safe now would they chop them on a normal day grab. So this match now something like 3-0 win, like playing 3-0 win.
Okay, so
for Chelsea.
Exactly.
For me, I hear say Chelsea never paid their rent, their stadium rent. So
you know my left hand.
So this thing now be like Derby, though they know from
West London.
No, it's a stadium Derby because if you no play well, they go. Stadium Derby. So Fulham for the other side, some of their players go. They still do some signings, So I feel like say Fulham go try to prove points, because they look nobody say they look them down. They be part of the team where they struggle for 13-14, like Man U that period.
Exactly.
So just like Chelsea this season. Chelsea last season, then Man U for a season before that one. So I feel like Fulham not there in the position to challenge Chelsea.
Exactly.
But looking at the stadium, I feel like Fulham go one proof point saying that them give Chelsea the stadium. So it be head to head because players where Chelsea signed, they never adapt that way. Now based on personal ability, now how they take the win pre-season, the ones where they win. So I feel like say this match Chelsea go win them, but you know go be that kind easy game. They go win them when they come up Palmer from the game. So it go be something like Chelsea go win the match around 3-2 or 3-1, but the main thing is Fulham go must score them. So I don't know what you think about the match.
You know, say this match now, you know, go actually dey easy. As some people go they think, you know, go dey easy because Fulham like the team where get fighting spirit.
Yes.
They know they always left for the
once they don't score you one, they
don't score you one.
Press you.
And energy day.
Energy. Don't match. Chelsea go come the field like all those their Indomie boys. They go swing them. They just swing them, but. Nevertheless, Chelsea they in better position to win this game actually. They in better position to win. So
you know, say this season, as season just start, they just call them Monday night football. Season never start now. They just start that Monday. Monday when they just start. So for this match, now even Chelsea will get higher chance of winning this match because for their team they don't restructure everything, like they don't do many changes even for coach.
Unlike Liverpool.
Do many changes. So those changes what they do, and for this match, I dey see Chelsea to win, because to be honest, Chelsea get more hand to win this match.
We get the capacity. Yes.
So they get the capacity,
but they don't get the stadium.
but they get the capacity. They get the capacity to win this match. But now, if the boys as Chelsea as we take know them now, if they don't come fuck up as they normally fuck up for everything what they do, they will feel just they sleep as they just start from Palm and that's it. So this season now, see as they happy say they sign Rodgers. If he start from Rodgers this season, but more watch out as they sign Xabi Alonso as their new coach, their new manager. No know whether he go really do well.
This is why I've been there. You say Palmer been the science block for World Cup. You just say no go back to him.
So now they get new coach, new manager. Now to know whether he go fit manage them well, I did go see
Xabi Alonso no be.
Xabi
Alonso no be anyhow manager. You say
maybe anyhow, but you don't say no to do well for Madrid, but in
they not be like this British space.
no wahala. This season, just watch out how Xabi Alonso go take do Chelsea. Whether they go see Saka, they had Chelsea to sack their coach.
Carry go first and go first.
No better now.
Calm down. Calm down. Hospital, calm down. Calm down.
If they don't sack Xabi Alonso before Tariq.
No wahala. I just dey see as Chelsea fans dey boga with the defensive line of Shirley, Tosin, Adrabiayo.
Oh, go punish you. They want to secure no move already. So no talk.
We will see wetin una talk for comment section.
If Xabi Alonso no first Carrick comot sef, they go first sack am before Carrick.
No
wahala.
Carrick go do well first. But no watch out how the
Yellow be this so.